So you're out on your walk and you want to include a little bit of yoga to enhance your wellness. Well, you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Laura and I help people live lighter and merrier one intentional step at a time. And today I'm going to show you 3 yoga postures that you can do whilst you're out on your walk to enhance your core strength, some flexibility and balance. We will leave the bag over here. Okay, settled. Let's begin. Stand tall and reach your arms up high, extending, feeling the expansion and the lightness. Inhale as you expand. Exhale as you contract. Inhale, reaching high, extend your fingers, feel the expansion, and exhale as you lower down, twisting to one side, keeping your chin up, shoulders relaxed. You're going to reach and hold, and equally with the other side, breathing all the while. Gently come back to center and release as you prepare for your second posture, which is the plank pose. And you'll recall we learned this in another video where we want to keep alignment, keep shoulders relaxed, keep the pelvis tucked in, and gently reaching into a downward facing dog just for a moment, stepping forwards, and you'll roll your back, keeping your knees slightly bent to come to standing. Now remember, if you wanted, you could always try your plank against a sturdy bench or a tree. Settling now into chair pose. Your arms are extended before you. This is for an easier access to this posture, but equally your arms could be raised. Your feet are roughly shoulder width apart or a bit closer. Sit your hips back and extending your chest up. Follow the rhythm of your breath, breathing in and out. Remember to smile, making your way back to mountain posture where you will now transition to tree. Take a moment to find your footing, your groundedness. Your shoulders are relaxed, your hips are aligned, and you rest gently one foot just inside the other leg. If you wanted, your toe could be touching the ground, or you could bring your foot even above the knee, but not on the knee. Focus forwards. Grateful for this practice. You're doing great. Let's find our footing now and our balance on the other foot. So gently raising your opposite foot. Hips are balanced, tummy's tucked in. Your shoulders are relaxed. Extend your arms up or in front of you. Again, in gratitude for your body and your practice. Flow into warrior. This practice is not about perfection, it's about participation. So taking a large step back, you have a nice stance, strong and sturdy on your feet. Your front knee is bent and it extends over your ankle. You can reach down, this is an option, and extend your opposite arm up, or you could rest an elbow on your upper leg. Your arms are strong, breathing in as you transition, getting your footing correctly, and exhaling as you contract. Your feet are strong, your knee is bent and over your ankle, reaching high up, great extension in your arms. You are strong, you are steady, and you are so capable. Finding your center again, back in mountain pose, and just finding gratitude for this practice. Feel yourself, what does your body ask for? Perhaps some gentle shoulder stretches, perhaps a gentle neck stretch, just gently rolling forwards and back, hold as you need, listening to your body and in gratitude for this walk and this sequence.